What's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is K.MikeIan, and in this episode number 5 we shall be setting how you can do your auto saving and AutoCAD display settings. Let's jump into the tutorial. Here is our AutoCAD, and we are going to learn about what we spoke about and the reason as to why you need to learn auto saving in AutoCAD is that you will need repetitive operations of pressing Ctrl S, saving work all the time, and it gives you some little part of headache. So to sort all that, you come to your display here, your model space, and type options, and it will pop up. You left click on options and this palette will come. Let me maximize it so that you can see it better. Now to set the saving automation, you come to this palette. Has a lot of tools and we are going to cover open and save. You click that. Then in our previous episode you saw that our AutoCAD was saving a default save as option as version 2018. So if you prompt to change it, then it means you will meet your necessity auto savings, and you can browse what you need to save as. You may use like 2013 like this, or 2010. Any that you set here will be used as a default. In the other previous menu, I will drop a link into description and you can see the previous episodes and you get a clear understanding onto how that operates. Now here you come to file safety precautions, and that is where you see automatic save, and it is in minutes, and here it is in intervals of 10. So you make sure that you lower it and tick create backup copy with each save. That means that anything will be backing up and an interval of saving. So I normally do an auto save of 2 minutes. I can repeat anything above or below that. So I set it to, but it can even go up to 1, but they are in minutes. Then if you do that, you apply and then you say okay. Now if you need to edit anything onto this side, there is number of recent used files, there are 9, you can edit. There is number of recent files under the application, there are 9, you can also edit them. So our basis was around that, and so long as you apply and hit OK, then you are ready to go. Your work will be automatically being saved per 1 minute interval. That is it. Now once you say okay, that is done. Now we are going to the next part, and that part was talking about the display. Many AutoCAD users use the default displays of AutoCAD. And what is a display? A display is whatever graphics we are seeing at this point. So to set, we shall set it like white or transparent, not as dark default AutoCAD. So how do you do that? Still the same options, type options, and you say, you click on it, then you go straight to display there. Now where there is the theme under window elements, you can click and choose light. Now after selecting your light, then you can apply, and the ribbon will be light in color. There are many videos talking about the different parts of the window display, and the link is in the description below. And let's apply this so that we see the changes. So we identify that now we have it like light, and it has some little parts of gray. So when I say okay, this operation you do it once, so now it is gray or light. So even if I close it and I reopen the application, let's give it a minute. Click start drawing. You see that the settings are already in place. So you do it once. So let's go to another thing. We are typing options, which is above. You can type in the free space or type in the command line or command box. So still where we have our display. Now this time around I want to change the background of the model space to white. That means that I will go under the same window elements, then click color here. Now you have 2D space, which is the model space, the 2D drafting, and we have a uniform background. Then the color is black, as you see, so we shall click there and look for white. Then you see even in the illustration here, white pops up. Now once we apply and close, then it will do that. Let's apply it further and say okay. So we have everything now white. Now let me show you my favorite settings when I use a white background. First of all, I deactivate this, then it is really white. You get? Wow. Now if I draw anything onto it, you see that it is black, and even the dimensions are black. The dynamics is also green, and the snap is almost cyan in color. So I want to remove those settings, and let's jump into it again. Type options, press enter, then go to colors. Now under this palette we shall look for dynamic dynamic dimension lines. I don't want it green, I want it red. Then I'll look for the snap. My pronunciation with S is not fine. We are looking for the snap. To the auto snap marker. Not real. Yeah, I needed the crosshair, not the snap. This one, the crosshair. Then turn it to magenta. Apply for the first time and apply for the second time. Then say okay. So you see that our crosshair, that plus is the crosshair I'm talking of. So it's already magenta in format. Then let's pick a command. So once I click in the free space, you see that the dynamic dimension line is now red, and the snap, the crosshair is also magenta, and you can really feel the environment of drawing. So that is it. So the interface or the display settings help you if you have a challenge with your visual aspect. You can go on to trigger and change them to what you need. Any color, anything can work for you. And if you find the video important, watch more, find the content flowing into this channel. And I would like to inform you that thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.